Howdy, howdy, this is Mr. Potter. Halloween's almost upon us, and so we've got some spooky 3D print jobs that I've got for you. 3 examples. If you haven't already gotten your orange, you really need to get your orange PLA pretty soon, because they do tend to sell out, especially around this time of year. The one I'm using for today, I'm using Hatchbox 3D Filler Printement Orange. This is Orange PLA 1.75 millimeter. And what I was able to do with this is create this little orange pumpkin. So this is a nice little pumpkin bowl. It's nice and hollow inside, so you can fill it with candy or whatever treats. It does have little holes on the side, so if you want to put some type of handle on it, that would be something great to give your kids or your sweetie this Halloween. It's a nice little 3D print. This actually took quite a while on my printer. It took about 13 hours, but of course, your time may vary. You can also scale this up whatever size you need to. The other prints that I have is I did a print of a black cat, and I used a low polygon rendition. What's nice about the low poly is that first off, it draws a lot quicker. It actually prints a lot quicker than it would if you had a lot more detail on it. And second, this kind of is the trend that you see a lot in 3D printing. I've seen a lot of this low polygon renditions, especially of the Pokemon. So you might see like a little Squirtle or a little Charmeleon. It's a good, nice little black cat. But of course, if you have a cat lover in your house, you could mix it with the orange and the white to make some type of calico. You could do a tabby. There's lots of different things you can do. It's a very nice pattern. The third print that I have, this one actually, I thought this was going to be my first multi-day print. Turns out this only took 21 hours to do. This is a low poly skull. I actually took the original low poly skull and scaled it up 300%. That's what got it to this. This is pretty much the maximum size that my Wido M2 will print. So this is a good, it's a good rendition of it. It's amazing how much detail you can get with this low polygon. And of course, what's really nice about the low polygon is that that's what a lot of the first-person shooter games in the early 90s up to the 2000s use to render something with as much detail as they could, given the processing power that was available. And what's nice is that from a far distance, you can actually see quite a bit of detail, even though up close, you can see that there's not very much detail here at all. So that's what I'm doing for Halloween. What are you doing for Halloween? Go ahead and post down and below in the comments. I'd love to see what you've got planning. Once again, this is Mr. Potter. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.